How to delete folder in Outlook. So if you want to delete folder in Outlook, then what you need to do is first you just need simply make sure that you have an internet connection. After having the internet connection, you can search for Outlook application and you need to just open up the Outlook. After opening your Outlook, make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with the left side and here you will have an option of folders. So these are all of the folders that you have created or the default folders. So if you want to delete any folder, then you can just go with the right side, which has that three dots, tap on it, and then you will have delete option, tap on delete, and again go with delete, okay, and your folder has been deleted. So this is the subfolder. But what if you want to delete the folder itself? Go with the right side, which has that three dots, and click on delete, and again click on delete, and that's it. The folder has been deleted. So that's how you can delete your folder, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.